Why Vietnam may be the world's next manufacturing hub. Vietnam is emerging as a leading manufacturing hub in Asia, attracting multinational corporations from around the world. This Southeast Asian country has been experiencing a significant rise in foreign investment, mainly due to its abundant labor force, low-cost manufacturing, and supportive government policies. The country's strategic location, bordering China and neighboring countries, has also helped to make it a prime location for businesses looking to diversify their supply chains and reduce their reliance on China. Vietnam has made tremendous progress in developing its infrastructure, which is critical to supporting its manufacturing industry. The country has a well-developed network of highways, ports, and airports that link its major cities to the rest of the world. This infrastructure development has been a priority for the government, which has invested heavily in upgrading its transportation and communication networks. The government's policies to attract foreign investment have also been instrumental in creating a favorable business environment that encourages growth and innovation. One of the key reasons why Vietnam is attracting manufacturers is its large and skilled workforce. The country has a population of nearly 100 million people, with a median age of just 32 years. This young and dynamic population is highly educated and eager to work, making it an attractive location for businesses looking to set up operations. The country has a strong education system that produces a large pool of skilled workers, including engineers, technicians, and scientists. The government has also implemented policies to encourage vocational training and apprenticeships, which help to develop a skilled workforce that is tailored to the needs of specific industries. Another reason why Vietnam is an attractive destination for manufacturers is its low-cost base. The country offers some of the lowest labor costs in the region, making it a cost-effective location for manufacturing operations. This low cost of labor, combined with the country's skilled workforce, has made Vietnam a popular choice for labor-intensive industries such as textiles, footwear, and electronics. The country's favorable tax policies and investment incentives also make it an attractive location for businesses looking to set up operations. In recent years, Vietnam has become a popular destination for companies looking to diversify their supply chains and reduce their reliance on China. The ongoing trade war between the United States and China has created uncertainty for businesses that rely heavily on China for manufacturing. Vietnam's proximity to China, as well as its skilled workforce and low-cost base, make it an ideal location for businesses looking to shift production to a more stable and reliable location. Vietnam's potential as a manufacturing hub has not gone unnoticed by the international community. The country has already attracted investment from multinational corporations such as Samsung, Intel, and LG Electronics. These companies have invested heavily in Vietnam, setting up large manufacturing facilities and research and development centers. With its favorable business environment, supportive government policies, and abundant labor force, Vietnam is well positioned to become a leading manufacturing hub in the years to come.